here is my server, and we are going to install my Nvidia P40 card, Tesla card in there. So let's open it up. I'm gonna just quickly disconnect this wire for now and open this one there. So that's how it's currently looking at. This is my enterprise SSD NVMe, and that's my second SAS controller. That's my first SAS controller in there. I'm not using the built-in H310 mini. I've put in two separate ones so that I can run at 12 gigabits per second speeds. I need to unplug this card. That's my 10 gig card. I'm gonna put in a small bracket. I'm gonna move that into this riser number 1 so that I could use this riser number 2 for my Nvidia card. So I'm just gonna do that now. As you can see, it's very noisy. So the card has been installed successfully, and I turned on the server and it's been recognized okay. And I will create a separate video to show you how I set it all up. But for now, just enjoy the footage I recorded to show you that this card's been working fine, and I was streaming to my Apple TV in the living room.
That water doesn't go through it. So my aim was to create these vegetable beds, fill them up with